Hi, rKavanaugh here again with BISH'S RV in sunny Junction City, Oregon. Today I'd like to show you this extremely nice 2011 Winnebago Sightseer 33C. It is in like new condition. I'm not kidding. This one will not last. It's affordable. It's got extremely low miles, under 16,000 miles. This is a super nice one for a 10-year-old coach. It's got full body paint. Beautiful. It's really spotless on the outside. Lots of storage on the outside. Outdoor TV as well. Let's go have a look on the inside. Actually, it does not have an outdoor TV, but it does have a couple of indoor TVs. So look at this. This is a 2011. It's a great floor plan. You've got a really nice vinyl ceiling here. It's flawless. The sofa looks like it's been barely used. It's extremely comfortable. This also folds out into a bed, of course. What makes this floor plan unique is instead of a dinette, you have a table with chairs. This is a lot more convenient for folks who don't like getting in and out of the booth because the booth has fixed seats. This, you can move the chairs around. It also has an extension here, so you can sit up to 4 or 5 people. You've got a beautifully mounted 40-inch TV up against the wall here, so you got a great viewing angle with the sofa, the table and chairs. And if you look right here, you also have a nice captain's chair with an ottoman. It's extremely nice. Up front, it's the standard features. You got really beautiful seats here. The motorhome really looks flawless. It's, again, 16,000 miles on this Triton V10. It's beautiful. You got a backup camera, you got a stereo, you've got storage here. Lots of cabinet space up above. As we move into the galley here, you got a nice countertop. You got some nice sink covers. Very convenient. You have storage throughout. Very nice. You got nice storage down here as well. You got a very nice large microwave. You got a 3-burner gas stove with a top here. An extra large gas oven. It looks barely used. Very clean. Then you have a standard RV refrigerator freezer combo. This particular model has the ice maker in it. This will run on, again, this will run on electricity or propane gas if you're disconnected from power. You got your all your controls here, thermostat, generator, the slides, all of that right here in a convenient location. And then you have the bathroom and shower. Have a look. And then you have some closet space here. I really wanted to point this out. You have these nice slides. Very nice. As we move into the bedroom, you have some counter space here. You got a flat screen TV here. You have some additional storage here for your remote controls. You have a sliding door for privacy. And then what's not to like here? It's a king-size bed in a 33-foot motorhome. That's amazing. You've got a lot of natural light with the window up against the headboard area. You got natural light, you got stereo speakers, you have some mirrors here, lots of closet space. You got a big hanger up above. Just very nice. You also have some lights in there, so plenty to see. So a very nice 2011 Winnebago Sightseer 33C. It really does show like new. The floors are immaculate. The furniture here is immaculate. All the cabinetry looks flawless. I don't see a single scratch on this particular motorhome. This one will not last. I encourage you to come out and have a look at this one. It's affordable. It's low miles, full body paint. There's a lot to like on this motorhome. Give me a call. Ask for rKavanaugh. The phone number to BISH'S is down below. I'd love to show you this motorhome. Come out, take it for a test drive. I know you'll like it. And if you don't, we've got plenty of others to show you. Have a great day.